Hello and welcome to the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the second paper in the foundation tier and we're picking up in question 30. A pattern is made from two similar trapeziums. Show that the shaded area is 294 centimeters squared. Okay, now the understanding of similar is that the lengths are going to be in proportion to each other. So the ratio of this length to this length is the same as the ratio of this length to this length, which is the same as the ratio of this height to this height. So this is just a scaled down version of this, but inverted. Okay, so if this is 4 centimeters, which is the shortest length, and this shortest length is 10 centimeters, then what have we had to multiply 10 centimeters by to get 4 centimeters? Well, that's just 4 over 10, which is 0.4. So 10 times 0.4 is 4. So by the same reasoning, this length here is 18 times 0.4. So 18 times 0.4 is 7.2. So I'm going to put this length here as 7.2. And the height of this little trapezium is 25 times 0.4. Which is actually 25 times 4 divided by 10, which is 100 divided by 10, which is 10. Again, you could use a calculator if you didn't know that. So this height here is 10 centimeters. In fact, I'm going to try and draw an arrow there, and so that's 10 centimeters. Okay, so the area of the big trapezium, to calculate the area of a trapezium, what we do, we get the mean average of the small length and the large length, and then we multiply that by the height. So that's a half of 18 plus 10, and then that total is multiplied by 25. So that's 1/2 into 18 plus 10 times 25, which is equal to 9 plus 5 times 25. 9 plus 5 is 14. So it's 14 times 25. Which is 350 centimeters squared. And the area of the smaller trapezium is a half of 7.2 plus 4 multiplied by 10. So that's a half of 7.2 plus 10. So 7.2 plus 4, and that's times by 10. Which, in fact, if I multiply that half by the 10, it's equal to 7.2 plus 4, and the whole answer times by 5. But let's just use the calculator anyway. So it's 7.2 plus 4, and that times by 5 is equal to 56. So our answer, the shaded area, is the area of this big trapezium, which is 330 centimetres squared, or 350 centimetres squared rather, minus the 56 centimetres squared, which is 294 centimetres squared. So that's 350 minus 56. We can use a calculator, but it is indeed 294 centimetres squared. In case that isn't obvious, 350 minus 50 is 300, and 300 minus 6 is 294. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next paper.